Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk about this plant. The name of the plant is elephant ear plant. Look at the shape of the leaves. It looks like elephant ear. That's why it is called elephant ear plant. The botanical name of this plant is Colocasia. This is not indoor plant. It's totally outdoor plant. If you keep this plant indoor for a week, it's okay. But if you keep it more than 1 week, then the color of the leaves turns pale and the leaves follow from the plant. One thing keep in mind, if you keep this plant outside or outdoor, you should keep in a semi-shady area. If you keep in direct sunlight, the leaves of the plant turn like this. So you should keep in a semi-shady area so that they wouldn't burn at all. This plant comes in different sizes. Just look at the size of the leaf and look at the size of this pot. Just look at the size, how beautiful it is. I can show you another pot. This is another plant. It's also miniature. This is the biggest one right now I have, and this is the smallest one I have. Just keep in mind that there is no specific soil required for this plant. You can use any type of soil like coco peat, peat moss, garden soil, vermicompost, potting soil, even river sand can also use for this plant. This plant can survive in any type of soil. It's not a seasonal plant. This is a perennial plant. Perennial plant means this plant remains same throughout the year, but yes, the growth of the plant slow down due to fog. There must proper drainage beneath the pot so that extra water will drain out. Otherwise, if water remains inside the pot, the roots affect and the plant will not survive due to the extra water retention inside the pot. You give the water when the soil is dry. Right now the soil is wet. You cannot give water when the soil is wet. Otherwise plant will not survive because already it contains water inside the leaves and branches. There is no need of any sort of fertilizer because no mealybug or any type of insect affect this plant because it's a poisonous plant. If you take the leaf down and touch your finger in the mouth, the taste of the liquid in your mouth remains for 1 week or so. So you just keep in mind that don't touch your finger when you tear the leaf down. The care of the plant is very simple and easy. You just keep the plant in the shady area and just look at the plant, how green and lushy the leaves are. The propagation is also very easy. Just look at the leaves, and also you can cut from the branch or any type of branch and put it in the soil and it will propagate very easily. I have already propagated this plant. I will show you to guys. This is my propagation, how big the leaves are. Just look at them. And also from there I have already planted in my green belt. One is this one, another one or this is another one. This is in direct sunlight, so you can see the leaves are turning pale. This one. If you find this video useful, please share with your family and friends and do like and subscribe my channel. And if you wanna give me any sort of suggestion, please do comment down below. Allah Hafiz.